We just finished up Nick Williams' amazing F-250 Platinum Everest Edition. I'm in another Marsala Super Duty. This one's an F-450 going to Chris up in New York with all steel aluminum. This one is just as legit. The Marsala just hits totally different. The big 12-inch touchscreen and a little teaser for you all. Look at this beast as I'm leaving the dealership. Rocking the white Vapor Maxes today for this one. Walking on air and we are riding on air. Kelderman 5.6 air ride. Let's get it on. The guys at our shop are truly amazing, y'all. They do some incredible things. I would love putting some miles, especially on a Kelderman, just like we have QC guys, Bud, etc., that drive these trucks. Tim, check them out, make sure they are legit and all there for our great customers. Your boy Real Deal likes to drive them too, y'all. That way I get to feel and handle and know how that truck is driving and what they're going to experience. That way I can know that that utmost satisfaction is going to go right to the customer. Let's ride. Now we're stroking it down, Highway 316, headed to Athens, home of the national championship, Georgia Bulldogs, boys and girls. This one's going to New York, as I mentioned. Just know that so much pride and passion is right here in the state of Georgia, pumping out these beautiful custom trucks. I'm gonna ride back to my house to review this because Brady and the wifey are there. School starts back next week, so this is the last go round I get at my videographer in Brady. He does a great job, so let's head to the house and let's do the full review at Appalachian Downs. Now the Kelderman Air Ride, in compared to any level lift, any level is more showy. It adjusts on the fly, riding down the road. I wouldn't recommend that on the Kelderman. To me, the Kelderman drives better, hydraulic versus air ride. I like the air ride. It's not too spongy and it's not too stiff. So on interstate speed at 70 miles an hour, it is a dream. Just rides the best of F-450 is going to ride. We have the airlift system right there showing you real time what each bag at all four corners is sitting at. And then check out these side mirrors. What I've told you so many times, taking the texture out of the side mirrors and doing body color makes it look so much more premium. You feel me? Got the Marsala. You don't want to be looking at textured black out the side window in a $150,000 truck. You want to see premium body color goodness. Big Bad Mr. Clean, as I call this one, y'all. This is for Chris from New York, a great repeat customer of ours at Willies at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. All Steel Aluminum is his company, buys many vehicles from Todd Durham and us in the commercial department. And here we have a reserve edition, as I call Mr. Clean. I told you earlier, I got the Vapor Maxes in white on air ride, and we got the Kelderman on the air ride. So we got Brady filming today. I figure first thing we'll do is show you how bad the Kelderman is as far as articulation. We're gonna go all the way down for if you're hooking up a trailer or just wanna stunt and get out and back in with ease. This is all the way down. Can be driven like this, not recommended because we've got some clearance issues up front. It's essentially just for ease of access on trailer and entry and exit. Now let's go all the way up. On my way up, we're all the way up. The Kelderman all the way up. You have the capability to really flex on them, y'all. And now let's go back to ride height. So sitting right here at the 5.6 mark, as I told you earlier, this is true to the game for best overall ride quality and stance and appeal. What do you think about the all white look? Essentially from the body up, we are all completely whited out, no black. We're gonna start with the paint first. Side badge, kept the chrome, deleted the black there, removed texture, did star white metallic, a beautiful paint. You see that paint right there, Brady, just glistening in the sun. I love all that flake right there. Did star white there and behind, around the platinum surround. Whited out the 6.7 power stroke on the side. I love the mirrors, y'all. You know I love these mirrors. Removing all that texture, doing star white all the way through. Star white on your side door handles there to really clean that up. That was chrome. Kept the chrome on the running board and upper chrome trim. Did chrome custom third brake light to match. This back is so clean and classy, like Mr. Clean. We just deleted all of the texture black and the brushed aluminum in lieu of the star white. A custom paint job on the rear, lightly smoked with star white throughout, nice accents and perimeter. Removed the texture on this portion here, did star white. This was actually textured black on our step pad here all the way throughout. Did star white there for a totally different rendition we've never done before. Even on your rigid SRQs, did the star white there, looking amazing. We have onboard air, dual compressor for the Kelderman air ride kit. So we've incorporated, one of our specialties is an onboard air kit there. And now Brady, down here, show them the Horn Blaster train horn application sticking out the rear and mag high-tech rear diff covers. All of your brains and modules are located right under there in your spare tire location. Pace Edwards power bed cover. This is the premier bed cover for a premier truck of this caliber. Has a remote, goes back and forth, starts and stops wherever you'd like. It has a nice finish there, nice and sleek. The sleekest in the business from Pace Edwards, which is also Lear, if you didn't know, but a nice clean appearance. Don't see it protruding above the bed whatsoever. Think about if you're trying to put stuff in the back of this and didn't have a power bed cover. Think about if you're trying to operate a tri-fold or quad fold on this type of a tall truck. I mean, it's about a good 5.5 foot to the top of the bed right there. So a tall truck must have a power bed cover. And we are on American Forces, y'all. I can't believe I didn't go right to the wheels and tires. Me and my man Brady, we love it. We're on the American Force Evo in 24 inches, rolling on 37, 13.5, 24, Nitto Ridge grappler, just a meaty, a line to line riding down the road. You just know this is a distinct, bold truck. Huge wheel and tire combo. My favorite combo is the 37 on 24 for sure. Anything any larger as far as wheel size with a 37, you're gonna sacrifice some ride quality. To me, this is still a good balance with confident towing, still capable. Kelderman air ride system has Raptor shocks specifically tuned for this application, and there's your 4-link in the rear. So we remove and replace the leaf pack in the rear. This is a full replacement of your suspension components, front and rear. That's why this is a pretty hefty price point wise kit, but the ride quality speaks for itself. Come on down the side. Brady, just show them how gorgeous of a truck we have. Kelderman logo, Raptor shocks up front as well as our dual steering stabilizer with the Raptor shocks. Truck drives great. It's not too stiff or too soft. It has a good balance, and I love the gloss black and milled on the American Force Evo. And we are a super single up front. You typically see us run dually style wheel up front. We're using a 12 wide. This is a 24x12 American Force Evo. I love how the gloss black and then the milled accents really accentuate the brushed aluminum, chrome, and star white. Many of you may say, real deal, a polished or chrome wheel would have been the better route to go. I'm probably agree with you, y'all, but this looks great to me. And think about if you're in New York with all that salt on the road, polishing those wheels is gonna be a pain. So this is probably the best for Chris as far as overall just everyday drivability, and still looks good. It's a clean and classy appearance, even with the black and milled wheels on the bottom and the all white up top. It just hits different. I mean, look at me, y'all. I'm white on white on white with the black hat, and I'm still flowing with it. So we can still flow and get down with this setup. Up front, inside the headlight, a complete star white paint job. Took away the chrome and the black inside the headlight there. Completely whited out the exterior and back part of the grille. This backer portion here and back behind here, we did star white. That's usually black. Also, this little textured bump pad on the top of your bumper, star white as well. Star white on that big bold emblem, which truly looks epic to me. Even this surround around your fog light down below, star white. Kept the tow hooks the way they are. Trimmer valence here, looking amazing. Now, I've not seen a truck this detailed coming from a dealership, much less many other places, y'all. We're doing something truly special here at Wild Willie's Custom Accessories. We are great people in Northeast Georgia, just about a mile north of Atlanta, Georgia, and Akins Ford, your top 10 Ford dealership nationally. We are the #1 dealership in the entire country for F-450 Super Duties, and the #1 outfitter for upfitting with your Reserve Edition can make your truck truly epic. Kelderman radius arms up front, made in the USA, great integrity, gives you overall great travel and capabilities to work in combination with the 5 to 6 inch air ride. Now Brady's gonna let us hear the train horn, y'all, from Horn Blaster. Oh my gosh. Baby's up there babysitting Joel's dog because he was barking at us during the video, and they were both like, what the heck is that horn? I did get Brady earlier, blew the horn as he was coming by. What do you think about that, Brady? Too loud. That means it was a success. Yes. On the inside, I'm glad Chris went with the Marsala interior. The Marsala is that wine color inspired inside with the nice brushed aluminum look throughout the platinum seats with the nice contrast stitching. Big 12-inch touchscreen. If you know anything about availability of trucks, you know this truck is extremely hard to acquire, much less a reserve edition of this caliber, extremely hard to acquire. So I'm proud of our repeat customer, taking care of him once again with a beautiful custom truck, reserve edition style, not a Midnight, not a Stormtrooper, but a Mr. Clean. Get that eraser and you just white it out, y'all. Let me know what you think about this rendition compared to our others. Thanks so much for watching. We got Mr. Brady behind the camera today. Love that, y'all. Hope you've enjoyed some of the views and review of a beautiful, fantastic truck right here at Akins. Peace out.